Hi everyone, let me introduce my cat, Tilly. She's my darling. She's my darling. Mwah. Tilly cat. So, one of she's favorite food is this. I don't know what it's called is in English, but this is she's favorite food. So, Tilly, nézd, Tilly, gyere, kapsz. Gyere, nézd. Figyelj. Tilly. Gyere. Oh, thank you. That's oh, sweet. Oh my God. So, teszek az orromra is. Cili, Cili. Ó, de jó, lenyalta. Lenyalta végre. Na. So, bye everyone. Silly has eat his dinner, so she's go back to sleep. Bye YouTube. Bye YouTube. Bye YouTube.